Hello everyone, this is Arya from Kaya Academy, and today we're gonna talk about how to save tweets you want to read later with Twitter's new bookmarks feature. So, being one of the main brains of social media, Twitter works continuously for its users. This Twitter feature launches the tag period. At the same time, users can now edit their tweets after sharing. I spend a ton of time on Twitter, at least once a day, most of the time more. A friend or someone I follow tweets something I want to check out, but I don't have time to right then. Like in that moment, I can, but I'm sure that I want to check it out. So I'm using this feature. And sometimes it's an awesome article I want to read, but I can't while I'm in the grocery store line, or deal I want to take a closer look at when I'm back in front of my desk. My typical move is to email this to myself so I can see them later. However, Twitter released this new life-changing, for me at least, feature that allows users to privately save tweets called bookmarks. The idea here is pretty much exactly the same as any other bookmarking feature. When you come across a tweet that you want to look at later, you're going to click the share button at the bottom and then select it at the tweet to bookmarks from the pop-up menu. So let me show you how to do it. So yes, this is a very short tweet, but let's assume that this was a Twitter thread or something. So first thing I'm gonna do is, of course, I'm gonna click on this tweet, and here I have the share button. I'm gonna click on the share button, and I will click to add tweet to bookmarks. Okay, so let's go back. And what should we do now? Like I have that one, so to be sure that it is on my bookmarks, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna click on my bookmarks, and as you can see, the tweet just appeared here. And in my bookmarks list, most of them, like tweets like this or movies that someone has recommended and I want to watch it later, but I don't have much storage in my phone gallery, so I just, do this. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. And this is like, you can use it on your app, you can use it on your website when you're using your desktop. So it's very useful, and I'm pretty sure that you're gonna like it. And later, as I showed you, when you want to access the tweet you saved, you're just gonna click here and you will have this, and you will have to access all those saved tweets using this feature. So this is very simple, very useful, and there's no need for me to be emailing those tweets to myself, then going into my email and then finding those emails that I sent between all those notification emails. So it's pretty good. So I'm pretty sure that you're gonna be using this feature, because I know you're addicted to Twitter as much as I am. So thank you for watching. If you liked this video and if you found it helpful, do not forget to like this video, and if you have any questions about this video or any other thing related to Twitter or any social media platforms, you can ask me on the comments and I will come and answer your questions one by one. And if you liked my content in general, do not forget to subscribe. And I know that you have already did it, but if you haven't, don't forget to hit that button too. So see you guys in the next video.